This work in progress shows the integration of ADK API server inside a custom solution, which is a multi-LLM agent system, where instead of using an ADK root agent acting as an orchestrator or router, the user is who set the agent to talk with. The architecture is composed by two servers, one the ADK API server and the other one a Node.js server, acting as a middleware or interface between the front end to the left and the ADK API server, one of the windows to the right. I called this ADK solution as multi-root LLM agent. Let's see it in action. To the left, we have the chat application, which is the front end of our app. To the right, we have the bot server, the server running in port 3000, which is the Node.js server, where in the other window, we have the ADK AP server running, as I call a multi-root LLM agent, with two agents, one the weather agent and the other an horoscope agent. So let's start the ADK API server and let's copy the URL with the parameters to trigger the corresponding agent, and let's put it in the browser. So now we are triggering a specific agent, and we are now starting a new session of this agent, in this case the horoscope agent. We see there at the right the post to create a new session in the ADK API server, and now we make a question to start a chat. At the right, we see the payload response from the ADK API server, and at the left, we see the response in the front end to the user. So we saw the horoscope agent, and now let's go to trigger the weather agent. Now we are going to start a new session for this weather agent, and we see there that the new session has been started, and let's make a question to who is this agent. We see the payload, and hopefully we see that the weather agent response is shown in the front end. To finish this fast tutorial and demo, there are some tips to take into account. Remember to start a new session with each specific agent you want then to chat with. If you press Ctrl C to stop the ADK API server, all sessions are lost. So ADK uses as a default something called in-memory session. There are two different endpoints for chat, one ending in run and other ending in run --SSE. You can find about them in ADK docs at deploy and quick start.